It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. We are going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, and power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, the child lock buttons, as well as a premium Bose sound system. WeatherTech floor mats, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Denali badging in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. To the left of the steering wheel is our trailer brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some lighting buttons and dials. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above is the rear window slider, power sunroof buttons, programmable garage door opener, as well as OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. It's a touch screen that displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. CD player, heated and cooled front leather seats, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, lane departure alert, hill descent control, some USB ports and power plug-ins. On top of the center console, we have the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille, black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, window vents on all four windows, Denali badging down the side, running boards. As we make our way to the back, we've got the rear window slider and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Next, I'll open up the tailgate here. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner and cargo hooks. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. On the passenger door, power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. The back of the center console has some storage compartments. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can raise these rear seats for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.